Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to make a vivid look on images in your Pixel phone. First of all, open your Google Photos. Choose the required image you want to make a vivid look. Here you can see the edit option on the bottom of this image. Tap on the edit option. Here you can see many options: unblur, dynamic portrait, etc. Scroll down towards right to reach the vivid option. Here you can see the vivid option. Tap on the vivid. Now your image is changed into a vivid look. By doing this, you can make your any image into a vivid look. Tap on the save copy option on the bottom right corner to save this image into your device. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.